assignment, you're going to go into a preschool classroom and you're going to take a literacy center inventory. Now remember, literacy center is not just books, it's activities that are associated with literacy. So there might be flannel graphs, there might be puppets, there might be language type activities for children to do with letters, but it also encompasses books, and books is a large section of the literacy center inventory. In this assignment, you're going to have some questions that you're going to be answering, but I want to make sure that you understand each question. The first question is about how many activities and books do you see? So when you go into the literacy center, I want you to look around at the activities as well as the books and count them up. I want you to look and see if they're appropriate for the age level. So if this is a preschool classroom, then the books should have colorful pictures, they should have words, they shouldn't be baby books with just brief pictures or books that are too hard for them to read, like fairy tales that are really long and have hardly any pictures. So make sure that the books are appropriate for them, age appropriate and developmentally appropriate. Are the books in good shape? Take notice, take the books off the shelf and look at them. Do they have ripped pages? Are there pages missing? Are the covers missing? Make sure that they're in good shape. Are the children using the books? Do you see children in the literacy center? Are there interesting things there for the children to do? Do you see children picking up books and looking at them and trying to read them or pretending that they're reading them? So are the children using the books? And are the children using the activities in the center? The next one is, are there any favorite books that the children are drawn to? Oftentimes there might be a book that the children are drawn to, and sometimes there might even be a squabble over the book. Children like to have it for themselves for a while and then another child wants it. So are there any favorite books? And if there are, I want you to make note of what they are, what's the title. Or it could be favorite activities as well. About how many books are there? So count the books, and I want you to count the activities that are there as well. I want you to differentiate between books and activities. And then describe the other kinds of literacy activities that you see in the Learning Center. I want you to describe, if you see a flannel graph, describe the flannel graph. Tell me what it's about. And are the pieces there? Does it seem like that there are enough pieces in the correct flannel and surfaces that they need to use them? Are there puppets? Are the children using the puppets? What kind of puppets? Are they multicultural? When you look at the literacy center inventory, you need to look for some other things too. You need to look for multicultural aspects, and this would be in the books or in the activities that are there. You need to see if there are fiction versus nonfiction. There should be both. You need to look for diversity. Diversity can cover ethnicity, it can cover gender, religion, socioeconomic status, urban versus rural, handicapped, all kinds of things can cover diversity. Diversity just means different. And so we want to make sure that our literacy center has opportunity to be diversified. And so look for that. Look, take the books and open them up and look and see if there are characters with different names other than Johnny and Susie. Look and see if women are doing jobs other than being mommies. Look and see if daddies are doing jobs other than going to the office. Look and see if there are children that in the pictures that might be blind or in a wheelchair. And so we need to look for diversity within our learning centers as well.